Hey, I'm Andrew Stirk. Welcome to Truck Talks with Stirk. Man, when you're picking a truck and you're going through the Ford.ca webpage, you've got thousands of options. Okay, 2,000 options in a truck. So it's good to know what you want and what you like and what packages come with what. Did you know that there's 4 different truck engines that you can get in the F-150? So if you're really trying to impress your old man, you got to get the 5-liter V8. That one's the biggest engine that we've got that has the loudest noises. That's your option. If you want a little bit quieter but can tow more than the 5-liter V8, you're looking at the 3.5 V6 EcoBoost engine. Then if you're looking for a little bit more fuel efficiency but still wanting the pep and excitement of a nice engine, you got the 3.5 hybrid engine. And then if you're looking to not tow much with it at all and you just wanting to have a truck, you got the 2.7 V6. Phenomenal engine. This here behind me is an F-150 XLT 3.5 liter V6 with a 302A package on this XLT. Now there's 4 packages with the XLT, especially when you go to the crew cab. But if you go to the cab and a half, which is our super cab, you actually don't get the option to get the hybrid engine. So let's talk about the tailgate and the bed of the truck, okay? So first of all, you got your back sensors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That way when you're backing up, the sensors will go off if you're getting close to a vehicle. You've got your backup camera right here and your trailer hitch camera as well, both visible from inside the truck. Now, when you're trying to open the tailgate, there's a button just underneath the latch here, right here. Try to get a view for you. You click this button right here, and it gently opens for your easy convenience. Now, we all talk about having a big bed and using it all the time, but obviously we all know we use it twice a year when our wife asks us to help her out with the garden. We go pick up mulch, but it's great to have. Very useful, very user-friendly as well. Now, we don't encourage drinking and driving, but we do encourage having a beer once in a while on a hard day work. So you got 2 bottle openers right here. Kind of something cool about the truck there. All right, so I wanted to show you how this tailgate step works. So very user-friendly, obviously, like I said earlier. Jump in and you're all set, you're in the truck. Now you can start shoveling that beautiful mulch that your wife asked you to pick up for your garden. Then come back, straight through, very easy to come down. Now we're gonna close this up as well. Start with 1, push this button in, slide this down. This goes all the way down like so. Then press number 2, very easy, and slide this sucker inside. Then we're gonna lift the step and slide it back in, and you're good to go. Very, very, very easy. Wanted to bring to your attention too the trailer hitch connectors. You got two modes right here to make your trailer connect and use your blinkers, blind spot information system, so it works on the mirrors. But this will just help make sure everything's working on the trailer, okay? Right, so we're at the driver's side of the truck right now. And one thing I want to just bring to your attention is this particular truck comes with a Black Appearance Plus package. Now, we used to have chrome a lot more and the Sport Appearance package back in the day, but what Ford noticed was people love the Black Appearance package. They love how it looks with most colors on the F-150. Now, what that gives you is you got your black painted aluminum 20-inch wheels, black running boards, and you have a black grille on the front of the truck, which I'll show you in just a minute. But it really pops and makes the truck look amazing. That way when you come home and your father-in-law sees you with your truck, he'll be impressed because you didn't get chrome. All right, so you're driving down in the dark country roads and you've got this guy that's driving on the opposite side of you and he's blaring his high beams. All right, so it's the most annoying thing in the world. People hate it. Turn off your high beams when you see another car coming. But don't worry guys, with this truck, when you drive it takes away the idiocy of every single person driving this truck. It has auto high beams. So when they see lights in front of them, or street lights, or reflector signs, it'll automatically turn off the high beams, which is amazing. Also has LED fog lights down here and LED reflectors, okay? This truck comes souped up with options and features to keep you safe on the roads. This is the grille that we were talking about earlier, the black grille that comes with your sport appearance package. Guys, this truck's incredible. This is just a little bit of information about the exterior side of the truck. Next video, we'll look at the interior options of the truck to give you a little bit more features and different dynamics there. Guys, thank you for sitting with me and listening to my video here. But get off your phone. Come to the dealership. Take this truck for a test drive. This July 20th, we actually are having and hosting an opportunity for you to drive any vehicle you'd like for Habitat for Humanity. Habitat for Humanity helps many, many, many people in all different kinds of ways with clothing, furniture, homes to live in. They need our help. Ford is donating $30 for every person that comes and test drives a vehicle at our dealership at Edler and Ford in St. Catharines, Ontario. So get off that phone, get in your car, and come get a test drive done in this beautiful F-150.